I will use this example to show how to calculate correlation coefficient between two quantitative variables and also how to draw a scatter plot. First, let's try to calculate correlation coefficient. So type equal CORREL parentheses. So first, select the range of the first variable, comma. Select the range of the second variable, parentheses. Enter. Okay, so now this is the value of correlation coefficient between the two variables. Next, let's try to draw a scatter plot. First, highlight the range of your data. Click Insert. From here, click and select the first one. So now you will have your scatter plot. So now let's try to edit it a little bit to make it look better. So first, I want to adjust the range of value. So double click the vertical axis. So I want the range goes from 1000 to 4500. So 1000. Okay. Then double click the horizontal axis. So I want the range goes from roughly 25 to 45. Okay, so the purpose is just to make the graph looks better. So now I want to add labels to x-axis and y-axis. So click Add Chart Element in the axis title. So I click Primary Horizontal. Okay, so double click here. So change this to gestational age, parentheses, weeks. Okay, so similarly, we do it for the horizontal axis. We do that for vertical axis. Okay, add the label, double click. So change this to birth weight, parentheses, grams. Okay, so we can change the name here, delete. I don't like the grid, so I want to change, remove the grid line. So click here, click grid line. So just click this again to remove the grid line. And here, click this again to remove the grid line. Okay, so now you have a scatter plot.